I've got my first ever Trendsend box. Stay tuned if you want to see what they sent me. Thank you for joining me today. I'm Michelle from Mascara to Midnight. If you're not a subscriber, take just a moment to subscribe. I'm going to be doing several of these clothing boxes this month. Who knows what next month will be? But if you're not into clothing boxes, I do everything. Makeup, skincare, hair, nails, you name it. And if you're a regular subscriber, thank you so much for watching. I've been having so much fun reading in the comments what time everyone is watching my videos. Tell me what time you're watching this. I really have been enjoying that. I personally am filming this video at 10:15 p.m. Clothing subscription boxes are basically for two kinds of people. The people who don't have time to shop and the people who just don't have a fashion sense. Actually, I don't have time to shop either. Another fun thing about the boxes is that it's kind of like Christmas morning because you don't know what you're going to get and you open it up and it's big surprises. Across the board, they all generally cost about $20. They call it a styling fee. But if you buy anything in your box, you get your styling fee back. So then it ends up being free. And if you buy everything in the box, you usually get a big discount, sometimes 15, 20, 25% off. Trendsend comes with the postage paid envelope, so you can just mail everything back. And usually exchanges are free. Now, I've never tried Trendsend before. When I signed up, there was no stylist fee, but the email did say starting in February, they would start applying a stylist fee. So do be aware of that. There was a huge long quiz, including full body pictures of me. And, you know, it asks what kinds of things you like and don't like and your sizes and everything. So they really ask you a lot of questions. And then you can head on over to Pinterest and pin some things that you like. Let me read you my little letter because these are always fun. You get a personal letter in these boxes usually. Happy Trendsend Day. I've packed this box full of goodies that you're sure to love. The more feedback you give us, the better. So I'd love to hear what you think of this box. Also, did you know you can make a wish list of pieces you've been eyeing at Evereve and want to try? All you have to do is go to evereve.com and use the same email from Trendsend. Lastly, if you need to exchange for a different size or color, simply mark kept at checkout. Make a note of the size or color you would like in the item comments. Send the incorrect item back with your envelope and we'll get you the correct item sent to your doorway right away. Enjoy your box. And then she asked me, was there any special occasions coming up? Our first date. And she said, happy anniversary, Michelle. 15 years is a great accomplishment. I'm sending you 2 different dress options for your special anniversary dinner. Animal print is very popular. You mentioned you're open to trends. The other option is a long, soft, cozy dress, perfect with tall boots or heels. I'm sending you our popular ankle-length cut boyfriend jeans, perfect for a stay-at-home mom. You're able to be comfortable, put together, and stylish. On top, I sized down to a medium in your Z Supply Camo Thermal. Camo continues to be a very hot trend. You mentioned that you like light pink. This pink bomber style jacket is a great layering piece. Thank you for your opportunity to style you, Michelle. And then my stylist is Erin. Well, hi, Erin. I know that you're watching my video. Just kidding, I know she's not. Well, how cute is this? Now, it's kind of a weird material, but I absolutely adore this. I would never have picked this on my own. That's what's so great about this box is that I get out of my comfort zone. This is $118. That is a little pricey. A lot pricey. Here's this cute camo shirt, and I see why she sized down because this is actually pretty big. But I don't have any camo, and I would definitely, I'd go with camo. This shirt is on sale for $34.99. That's pretty cool to have sale prices. White t-shirt that says, be a nice human. I cannot imagine ever spending $38 for a white t-shirt. That is 100% going back. Striped tank. I feel like I have enough striped things, so I probably won't keep this, but I gotta try it on to see how it looks. Here's the blue jeans she mentioned. These are cute. Dark wash. I like these a lot. Here is the dress she was talking about. I gotta admit, I don't love dresses. And this is that material that just kind of drapes on you and shows all your bulges. I mean, it's a beautiful color, but I think it's also gonna not be proportionally fitting me. Oh, this is super cute, super cute. This one I think will proportionally fit better, and I think it's going to look better on me. I think I can be convinced to wear a dress on our anniversary dinner. I think I can. Okay, so what did you think? You know me, I need you to tell me what I should keep. Should I wear one of those dresses for my anniversary dinner? That's it for me today. Thank you for joining me. I loved having you here. Don't forget to subscribe. Tell me in the comments what you think I should keep, and I'll see you real soon. Bye.